He wanted all three of them.
Got it?
Yeah. You see it? It's already making turbo noises. That's what we're gonna be doing, baby.
What is up? Welcome back to another one. As you see, we have the truck hooked up to the trailer, which I know all of y'all watch car YouTubers and you should know what that means. That means we are going to pick up another turd, another car that probably does not run or doesn't even have a motor in it. So, the car's not for me, sadly. We'll get into that a little later. It is for Kyler, and Kyler's on his way right now. Last minute, we're making a trip 3 hours out toward Memphis to get this thing. I'll give you a little update when we get in the truck and head out.
He wanted all three of them. and he's like, well, how many you want? I get whatever you don't take. I knew he was like, well, shit, I just better take one because he's starving.
That was a big tow truck driver.
Oh my
You make sure he's not right.
Yeah, I haven't, because that's his Ford right there. He told me it was his Ford.
Road trip with your friends are the best. So, like I said, this isn't my car. It's Kyler's car.
Maybe.
Backstory behind that. Me and Kyler have been looking at crappy EFs on the marketplace for a while. I've been sending them to him. He says he wants one to build, you know, do the turbo crap. So I sent him this one. I was like, hey, are you free so-and-so days to go get this? And he was so ecstatic. He thought I was sending it for him to get. And I just let it be. I was like, all right, I guess we'll go get it for you. A little later, I was like, yo, by the way, I wanted it, but you can have it because I like it. So, anyways.
Honda boy.
I'll throw some pictures up of it here.
Right here.
Yeah, right there. It is a 91 Civic Wagon, probably a base model, not like a Wagon van or anything. $350. It's in Memphis, about 3 hours away from us. Comes with a bunch of parts on it, like speaker pods in the rear, skunk tube, suspension, B-series mounts, like a bunch of stuff that would equate more than $350, so that's good. Also, we have Justin coming with us, last minute addition, so that's good. We got all of our snacks. We're gonna hit the road. We'll see you there.
Yeah, we just had a drift weekend last weekend. Man,
that dude got a nice garage, man. I'm like, what the hell?
He's got it. He's the Honda hero.
Right? I'm like, you got a Type R, 5 wagons, a drift Miata.
Maybe just a trailer arm bush?
Oh, I'll show you under the hood. You can find the hood. Mine's just still sitting in there.
Was it converted to multi-point, or did you just have the motor in it?
I just had the motor in it, so I was actually going to do a conversion just to run VTEC and all that stuff.
Okay. And it is a manual car?
Yep, manual car.
Alright, let's get some. I'm sold. Is there anything you want to look at? I'm sold. I'm sold. Oh, you're good. You guys put some shit on this.
He's got it, man.
He's legit.
No, it's good. I don't want to waste your time too much, and it's.
No, I don't want to waste your time driving 3 hours, dude.
It's so cheap. There's nothing really to barter on there.
And
look
when
too
you're
much
trying
over.
to get stuff out of here to move, dude,
We know what you mean.
Man, these dudes don't play.
We don't. Mr. Robbie said it's 350. Was that it?
Yeah, 350.
There's 3.
We got the blue bills, huh?
140. 50.
You know what I mean? You know, he's like 350. No, dude, what's the catch? I'm like, okay. What? Crap, they take losses.
Oh. I'm probably over 40 or 50 cars at this point.
Really?
And I've been in all some weird deals before. So.
That's what's good on there, man.
I just try to.
Yeah, that's what's good. So what's the deal with the blue wagon in your garage? Is that one built or you painted it?
So that's an RT four-wheel drive. I took apart and changed the color.
I'm a big wagon guy.
See, I love wagons too, man.
Big wagon guy.
But I just can't buy shit.
I wanted a CTSB wagon originally back when I first was looking at hot rods. Couldn't get one of those. Bought a G8. Had it. Loved it. I just like wagons. I like wagons. I had a Forester. Blew it up in 4 days. Screwed it. These wagons are dope. I got a Volvo 240 wagon at the house.
Shut up.
Yes. Oh, it's gold.
Dude, I wanted an 840, dude. That's what I wanted. Yeah.
You recording all of it?
Yeah, a little bit. Mostly.
Does the light look good?
Yeah, I turned the ISO up.
Getting it down this hill. With no brakes. I'm thinking about, using this.
Yeah, I can hold it. I'm strong.
This than
Then like try to hold it with hands.
a ratchet strap.
Ultralight singles I got. I got a hard plastic on 15x10s, just a big old chrome ultralights.
Really?
Oh yeah.
Man, y'all got all kind of tools over there, man.
Yeah, I found those ultralights for $150 at a yard sale.
See, and that's how you catch them deals. Because people don't know what they have, man.
Ready? You ready,
So-
Macho Man?
No brakes, remember.
We got muscles back there. He's going. Oh shit! You better have a good grip. This thing roll like butter, dude.
I know it does. Yeah, if you could steer it,
We'll hold it back if you can drive it down for us, Rob.
Okay, let's go.
you got it? I got it double knotted here.
Dude, I'm looking at the front wheel like this thing is gonna look clean.
I don't know.
Got it?
Yeah. Car, 1,500 pounds.
That was a little sketchy.
Up there at the top is definitely sketchy.
All I could think about was just run off of that nice house.
I guess I said them coilovers are pretty good, huh?
Alright. Oh, you're just gonna winch it up.
What do you think?
I mean, I think we can push it. You just need to stand at the front and stop it.
Be safer.
You're the boss.
So these wheels would act.
Right there.
Yeah, I'll hold it.
I think I got the 20. At least I thought I brought them. Good. Good.
Bueno, amigo.
With the lamp button and stuff like that. It's decent.
I just want to make sure you don't have to record it all.
Oh no, God forbid I don't record.
I know that one time.
I'm a Honda owner. I'm a Honda hero.
Is this bright on you, this light?
No.
Okay.
It's probably like my future though.
Motherfuckers. Bugs though. So, next day, we got in at like 4 a.m. the long haul. We just unloaded at Kyler's house. The guy that we met, really cool dude. We ended up talking for a little bit longer than we expected, so that's kind of why we got back late. Me and Kyler switched out kind of at the end because I was dangerous. I was falling asleep. So, but really good. Yeah, he woke up. I was like, I need you to drive. But really good deal. Like I've said, it was $350. It's got tons of good parts on it. We'll kind of swing it over to Kyler and let him kind of talk about his plans, if he even has plans at the moment.
I've already got a full list of plans.
Yeah, he's a full-on Honda boy. He's been all over the forums and searching stuff.
It's gonna be real dangerous. I think that little snail would fit on it, quite nicely.
Yeah?
Yeah. Yeah.
Where's that?
I don't know. I'm looking. Summers. Hey, there it is. Not that I've got, 3. Oh, my balls. 3.5 LS engines worth of shit in here. And I got a Mishi motor in it cooler.
That's where my eBay turbo came from.
Oh yeah?
Yep. Came in that exact same box.
Dude, I'm so grateful for that. That's all on 3 hours of sleep. So yeah. Wow. Wow. Shabam. Wow. Shabam.
Little baby turbo.
Yeah. You see it? It's already making turbo noises.
Is it a 76 or 72?
No, this is. Oh no, I got that one in another box. This is like a 50 something.
Oh, that'd be perfect.
Oh yeah, this is like perfect.
I'm pretty sure that's exactly what's on my Miata.
It's like a 54 or something. I got this for 2 S14 bucket seats.
Yeah, Kyler, Willen, and Dylan always.
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 I'm always looking for the deal. Well, I got some junk at the house.
All right, so why did you want a Civic?
Because my buddy Jared.
Little background on Kyler is that he's a big V8 guy.
Yeah.
Never been in the JDM stuff, which is why the 240 has a V8 in it.
I used to make fun of guys with Hondas. I'm not gonna lie. But here I am.
So
It'll be a Honda hostile.
So plan is to get it running at least.
Run it and driving, cruise it around, get it good and going. Then, you know, after we're good and going, got some time to do, get some parts stacked up, full-blown paint job, whatever. If they got ground to fix for these, we're going all out. And then we're gonna make, you know, that's what we're gonna be doing, baby. So that's what it's about. And you know, we gotta do all-wheel drive, even if it breaks my back and my bank.
And I don't know if we can see the decal in there, but there's a OE decal that's definitely going back, no matter what the color is.
Definitely getting pinned up.
Yes. Yes.
All the graphics, baby.
All the graphics.
All the graphics. Garage. We got fresh baked cookies in the kitchen, so we're trying to wrap this up and go eat them.
Like always, I appreciate you watching this. I'll see you next one. Peace.